how to play 1080 by 1080 in CS2 for AMD. I'm going to tell you how to play 1080 by 1080 for CS2 on AMD. First, you need to create a custom square resolution using AMD software. Open AMD software Adrenaline Edition from your taskbar. Go to custom resolution in the display settings and create new. Enter 1080 for both width and height. If your default is 1920 by 1080, replace the 1960 fields with 1080. Then accept and test it. If everything checks out, save the profile. Next, launch CS2. Go to Settings, Video, switch to windowed mode, choose the 16 by 10 ratio setting, and select your newly created 1080 by 1080 display. Finally, inside AMD's display tab, turn on GPU scaling and set scaling mode to full panel for a stretched or preserved aspect ratio for black bar display. Once applied, CS2 will render in a centered square window. Many players enjoy this for tighter visuals and improved focus. You'll get a unique square view that can help visibility, with fewer distractions on the sides without changing your monitor's native resolution.